All right, Chase, how old are you, bud?
6.
You're 6 years old, and what do you have right there?
My Rubik's Cube.
And you've been working on trying to get one side of that Rubik's Cube together very quickly and doing pretty good, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I thought we would show all our YouTube people, all our subscribers, how fast you can do this. You wanted to do all 6 sides. We're going to start. I have my stopwatch here. I'm going to see how fast you can put it together, okay? All right? Oh, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to mix it up now. All right, here we go. First one is going to be orange. Go. Yeah, folks. 26.63 seconds. Good job, bud. Now we're going to go with red. Go. I did red. Go. $35.52 seconds. Okay, and we'll do one more. You want to do blue? All right, he calls blue, folks. We're going to go with blue. Go. Almost under 30 seconds. That's close. Okay. What's your fastest time?
8 seconds.
8 seconds? Really? You must have done that with Mum faster. Okay, now we're just going to go right to a different color. You ready? You got your Rubik's Cube?
Mm-hmm.
I'm resetting. Let's go with yellow. Go. Booyah! Look at that, bud. 34.85 seconds. Can you go faster than that?
Yeah.
Next one is going to be white. And go.
Oopsie.
That's okay. 33.8 seconds. All right, good job, bud. All right, last one. Okay, which one do you want to go with? You want to do green? He calls green last one. This is a Chase choice. We're going with green and go. There you go, 46.8 seconds. Good job, bud. All right, hey, keep an eye out for more videos to follow. Chase is going to work on 2 sides, right, bud?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you're getting better and better. Hey, play. So what do you say?
See you next time. Bye.
And subscribe. Are we trying to make a video here or what?
Yes.
All right. You're crazy. Chase, how old are you?
6.
Are you a monster? You think your YouTube subscribers want to see you picking your nose? That's crazy.
Start over.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.